Password reset not sending email on Chip app fix. If you've tried resetting your Chip password but never received the email, don't worry, this happens to many users, and the fix is often simpler than you think. Start by checking your spam or junk folder. Chip's password reset emails come from no reply to Chipbook, and they sometimes get flagged by spam filters. Try searching your inbox for Chip or password reset just in case it's hiding there. Next, confirm you're using the exact email address linked to your Chip account. This step trips up a lot of people, especially those who signed up using Apple or Google Sign-in. If you try to reset using a different address, the system won't send anything. Once you've verified your email, add a Chip to your contacts or safe sender list. Then resend the password reset request and wait at least a few minutes. Multiple clicks on forgot password can slow down the system or cancel earlier requests. If you're still not seeing the message, clear your browser cache or try using a different browser or device. Sometimes old cookies can prevent the reset link from being processed correctly. Also, check that your mailbox isn't full and that your email provider allows messages with embedded links. Some block automated messages for security reasons. If none of these steps work, contact Chip support team through their help center or app chat. They'll verify your account details and manually send you a password reset link. Most users think it's a glitch in Chip's system, but the surprising truth is that it's almost always a spam filter, a mistyped email, or an old login method causing the issue. Follow these simple steps and you'll get your password reset email letting you log back in and manage your savings goals in no time.